Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over a behind the back ghosting weave, and that move is going to look something like this. But before we get into it, my name is Kate, also known as Hoop with Kate on literally everything. I teach beginner and intermediate hoopers how to expand on their flow. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend. It just helps us grow the community even bigger together. So this move can be a little confusing, but there are some things that you need to keep in mind as you are doing this move. There's going to be one working hand and one ghosting hand, and that is going to change as you turn from the front to the back. So I'm going to start the move out with my dominant hand. I'm going to grab the hoop with my thumb facing down. You're going to bring the hoop down and behind you, and as you do this, you're going to start turning over your dominant shoulder. Take your opposite hand and you're going to grab the hoop thumb to thumb, and you're just going to turn the hoop up and down. As you're doing this, you're using your opposite hand to just ghost the hoop, have a light grip on the hoop, and your dominant hand is essentially going to be going up and down. You're going to bring the hoop up, ghost the outside of the hoop with your opposite hand, and then bring your hands together behind you. Once you're in this position, you're going to switch your working hand to your opposite hand. Loosen your grip on your dominant hand. You're going to bring the hoop up now, and then bring the hoop behind you as you turn to the front. So you can see that I have a light grip on the hoop, bringing it up and down. Then you're in that starting position again, and now you're going to switch the working hand to your dominant hand. So loosen up your grip on your opposite hand, bring the hoop up and in front of you, ghost with your opposite hand, bring it down, switch your grip, bring it up and down. Some things to keep in mind as you're doing this move is keeping the hoop nice and close to your body as you are turning and maintaining your position on the floor into just a small perimeter. So you're going to be bringing it up and down, switch your grip, up and down. So the move with just my hand is going to look like this, up and down. Now I'm going to grab the hoop with my opposite hand, bringing it up and down. And using that ghosting hand as kind of like a guide to make the transition nice and smooth, and also creating that illusion that the hoop is floating. When you are gripping the hoop as well, you are not moving your position on the hoop. You're always maintaining that singular grip, and then using your opposite hand to just ghost and move along the hoop. This is a highly requested tutorial, and it can be a little bit confusing, but as long as you keep in mind about switching your grip and also maintaining in a small circle as you turn from the front to the back, once you understand the mechanic of the move, then you'll easily get it down. It's a really simple movement, but adding in the turn and the ghost makes it look a lot more dynamic and intricate. All right, hoopers, if you have any more questions about this move, be sure to leave one in the comments. And again, if you like videos like this, be sure to check out all the tutorials that I already have on my channel. Consider subscribing and sharing this video with a friend. All right, I will see you in the next one. Happy hooping.